Welcome to my VideoFX AI review. Hi there, and thanks for tuning in, turning ordinary product images into scroll-stopping cinematic videos that boost sales and brand impact instantly. So what is VideoFX AI? It's an all-in-one platform designed to help creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses produce studio-quality videos instantly. It uses advanced AI engines to generate emotion-driven scripts, cinematic visuals, and multilingual voiceovers. You can showcase products with lifelike avatars, add captions, and export for platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. The best part? No monthly fees, no steep learning curve, and full commercial rights make it a powerful tool for both personal and client projects. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description below is my affiliate link. And if you purchase from my link, you will get some extra exclusive bonuses from my end, which are worth more than $15,000. Now, watch the complete official demo video of VideoFX AI and understand how it works.
I am entering my password right now, and now just click on sign in. Okay, so as you can see, this is the dashboard. Yeah, you will see this powerful yet simple dashboard here, and here you can create AI videos, generate your avatar, create shorts, you can generate image, transform image to image as well, and even you can create video instantly. Okay, so let's create a video. Just click create videos. Now click here. Now enter your product name, like my product name is Amazon Basics Charger. Now description, you can simply give the prompt. AI will automatically generate the description. Just enter like this, and now upload the image. I have already downloaded my product image here. As you can see, this is a charger. Now enter the original price. Yes, this price and promo details will explained by AI. Okay, now just click upload. Wait for a few seconds. Soon the avatar will show here. Okay, so this is the content. This is generated by AI. Now click upload. Okay, here are the talking humans. Here are the avatars. Suppose if I like this, now just click on submit and wait for a few seconds. The video will be generated, and this avatar girl will explain your charger ad or video even. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, in just few seconds your video is ready. You can simply download the video here. You can, if you want to view the video on browser, just click on view. If you want to remove this, just click on delete. Okay, so just click.
Power up your life with the Amazon Basics 65 watts Type C Slim GAN charger. Tired of lugging around multiple bulky chargers? Meet the Amazon Basic.
As you can see, the AI avatar is explaining your product with subtitle as well. Okay, you can simply download it here as well.
65.
The image will be changed in background.
5 watts Type C Slim GAN cutting edge guns, iPad, and AirPods with a single, versatile adapter. Fitting comes with convenient adapters for UK and Indian 2-pin plugs. Slim GAN. Experience the convenience and power of a single charger.
Okay, so as you can see, this is how you can create UGC video ads or video for your product. And now the next one is generate on avatar. Just click on generate. Now enter your prompt here, like generate a real avatar holding cold drink in his hand. So okay, this is my prompt. Now click on submit. Just wait. Okay, it's done. The avatar is ready. You can simply view here. See, my prompt was generate a realistic man holding cold drink in his hand. So as you can see, the quality of image is very good. Now click on AI shot. You can generate unlimited shot with just a prompt like generate a shot of a white gorilla saying subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, suppose this is my prompt. Now click on submit. Okay, now shorts is generated successfully here. Okay, it's done. You can just same like create videos, you can just download here, view and delete here. So let me show you the video here. View.
Like, share, subscribe this YouTube channel.
Okay, so as you can see, you can create shorts like this. Now the other one is generate image. Yes, you can generate unlimited image with the power of AI. Each other. So this is my prompt. Now the style you want, bright color with red touch. Okay, now detail, high resolution. Now just click on submit. So the image generated successfully. As you can see here, my prompt was dog and cat hugging each other with bright and red touch. So you can see. Okay, you can simply delete here. You can download the image here. Just click on download. Okay, just save image. That's it. Now image to image is here. Click on generate. You have to upload your image here first. Like I'm uploading this image. Okay, there is a man. Now my prompt will be like replace this man with a girl. Okay, now click on submit. Just wait for a few seconds. The boy will be replaced with the girl. Okay, as you can see, with the video editor you can simply create videos in high quality. Okay, so here it is. Also, as you can see, there are some templates here. Like here's the template. Okay, it's generated here. You can simply change the text. Hello, I am Jadip. If you want to preview this video, just click on play. Okay, and there are so many options, like if you want the screen of 1080 by 1080, 720 720. Okay, and you can simply upload the images here. There is a pixel integrations and pixels too. Also you can upload your own image by clicking on upload. Okay, and there are the videos here. Okay, and there are the audios. These are the audios. You can simply add the background of the video, and if you want to download the video here, just click on download. There are the three options, like you can download the video as WebM, you can download as GIF file. If you want to download it as image, not video, then just click on image. Okay, and there are the three options as well, like PNG, JPEG, WebP. Okay, so if you want to download, just click on start downloading.
I hope you understand how VideoFX AI does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the VideoFX AI at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's see the OTOs of VideoFX AI. First, we have already seen the VideoFX AI front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is VideoFX AI Unlimited. Unlimited AI-powered video creation with diverse styles, scripts, showcases, and reseller rights fast, risk-free, professional, and profit-driven. Second OTO is Pro Edition, AI-driven video suite with voice cloning, avatars, translations, 4K rendering, interactivity, and batch creation for professional global content. Third OTO is Done For You Profitizer, exclusive VideoFX AI setup with assets, templates, avatars, money-back guarantee, and limited-time access for fast, profitable results. Fourth OTO is AI Templates, DFY automated system with traffic engine, instant income streams, risk-free guarantee, and proven results for effortless 24/7 profits. Fifth OTO is Traffic Edition. AI-powered automation drives targeted traffic, promotes offers, and runs 24/7, delivering faster results, niche dominance, and effortless scalability. Sixth OTO is Reseller. VideoFX AI Reseller license offers unlimited accounts, sales materials, client support, instant commissions, and lifetime access with zero skills. Seventh OTO is Agency. VideoFX AI Agency license provides unlimited accounts, an admin panel, sales materials, client support, and lifetime access with rising price urgency. Lastly, the eighth OTO is WhiteLabel. VideoFX AI WhiteLabel license gives you your own branded software business fully hosted, customized, supported, and profit-ready with training. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. The smartest creators are already using AI to dominate social media and boost sales. VideoFX AI puts that same power in your hands at a one-time price. You gain the freedom to create, sell, and scale without limits. Claim your copy today and unlock the future of video marketing.